Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Diddly Has Plans. In today's video, I am setting up my social media plans for December in my Erin Condren Monthly. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, so for December, I have Orange Umbrella Co. Kit 276. It's called Berry Festive. I have here the date dots and the main sheet for the monthly headers. And then I have some extra labels that I used between my Clean Mama routine, and we'll be using a couple of those here in this setup, and then also just the leftover washi from the Clean Mama routine. I brought it over here just to kind of see, just in case I needed it. So let's go ahead and we will get started with the headers. So I'm kind of excited because if you saw my planner stack video, I am planning to use as my main everyday carry planner an Erin Condren neutral teacher lesson planner. It's kind of got a neat, it basically has blank columns like I have in my plum paper, but it's the Erin Condren paper that I love. And I'm excited to be moving into that. Let's see, I'm trying to get that down. Okay, so there's that. And then I'm gonna pull a monthly script. So I have several here. Let's see, I've got this one here. This one's gray. And then this is the same as that one. These are all the same here. There's no December here. This one's kind of like a little bit thinner linear font. And then this one here is from Saya Planning. This one's kind of cute. It's kind of like more of a handwritten font, but maybe since I've got this font going on here, I feel like this kind of gets lost though. It's the same font as the days of the week. So I kind of like that. Let's see. Oh, I think it's okay. You know how I like to do things left aligned? I don't know. Maybe it just looks a little, because I've got so much going on. I think this is a little bolder. I think I'm going to do this one here. So there's that. And then I'm going to take a quick minute off camera and, well, not quick. It takes me forever to do this, friends. I'm going to put the date dots down because I just finished planning my December monthly. And just as I was about to wrap up the video, I looked and I noticed, I was like, oh, I didn't put the date dots down. So I caught it, but I'm going to make sure that I do that here first before moving on into the actual plans. So let me take care of this and then we'll be right back. All right, so I have all of these pretty little cranberry date dots down, and then let's start laying out the plans. And so all of the weekly plan with me's come up on Sunday at the end of their week. So we'll get these down here first. And then let's see, the 17th. And then this one here goes up on Christmas Eve. I'm covering up the holiday, friends, but that doesn't mean quite as much here in my social media, so I think we'll be okay there. And then next, let's see, so my December monthly, so today's actually already the 3rd. I put a different video up on the 1st, so let's do Clean Mama first here on the 6th, because I know for friends that like to follow that routine, I try to get it, I should have gotten it up on the 1st, but I just didn't get it to it. So let's do the December monthly here. And then let's do my social media. And we'll do, oh, I don't have my budget here. I'm gonna need another sticker for my budget. Let's see. Right? Yeah, budget. I have more videos than I have days to put things up, I think. Okay, so December budget, we'll get all these up. And then I have a haul video here. I've got the Christiane celebrations. Let's see, maybe I'll put that down here because I want to get my 2024 stuff going. So maybe I'll get that up Actually, I'll probably get that up last, towards the end there. And then we'll do a Black Friday haul here. And then I have a November flip through, so maybe I will save November for when we get into January, because it really doesn't matter. Like, I just actually posted September and October together. So maybe that's what I'll do, is I'll end up putting some things together. I do want to do these separately because they were so much fun. But let's see. So that's kind of the plan. And then if I post on Instagram, which I have really fallen off the wayside of, I will just write them in on the days and kind of a note about what I posted. So now let's move into setting up my grid, my film edit upload grid. And so I'm going to use some of this cute washi. I really want to use this one here. This is really sweet. So I'm going to put this up, and let me turn it because I want to be able to cover up the little asterisk there. It's easier for me to eyeball if I'm straight with it a little closer to me. And like I said, I'm just eyeballing, friends. There we go. That's good enough. Okay, and then I'm going to take my ruler, and I have just a gray, this is N55, a gray Tombow, and I'm going to put my little grid in. So let me go ahead and draw that in. Okay, so there's my little grid. And I have all my little scripts here from Saya Planning, which has relaunched as Aperture Empath. And so let's go ahead and put some of these down. Oh, and then I have this YouTube here from Big Elephant Plans. So I'll put YouTube here, and then we will go ahead and put down all of these here. Let's see. So this is film and edit. Upload, and then thumbnail. I'll do all the filming, editing, uploading, and then I'll go and I'm like, as I'm uploading it, and you go through all the steps of putting your content in, and then I realize, oh, I don't have a thumbnail, so I like having a little checklist there. Okay, so that's that. And then since I have like this strip here, let me just put, I'm gonna write all of these in first before I put like a strip down here on the bottom, just to make sure that I have enough room. So let's go ahead and put, let's see, there's 5 plan with me's, so 5 Sundays in this month. So I'm just gonna write those in. Okay, so there's the 5 plan with me's, and then I have, there's this, I think this was my flip through video. I'm gonna have to look, but I'm gonna skip a line, and then I'm gonna do Clean Mama monthly. So Clean Mama, gosh, I really like the way these Sarasa dry pens write on this Erin Condren paper. I'm so excited for that. Monthly, and then what did I decide? Social media and budget. So we'll do that. And it doesn't matter if I end up moving them around and doing these in a different order. It doesn't matter on this little checklist. And then let's see, Aperture Empath. So I talk a little bit in this video about the relaunch of Saya Planning to Aperture Empath, and just kind of like the different things that she's offering right now. My Black Friday haul. I don't know, friends, did you guys get a lot of good shopping done? And then my Chrissy Ann. I'm so excited too about the Celebrations collections. I did that for the first time. And then my 2024 setup. So there we have that. Okay, so that's gonna be that. And then let's go ahead and we'll just put this, let's see. Maybe what I'll do is I'll save this piece for here, and then we will do, let's do this other piece and just kind of anchor it top to bottom with the same washi there. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. And then let's use this one, like I said, and we'll do this here. I'm going to cover this one. first. We'll put that there. And then we'll do this one up here. So I have enough for those. And then let's just use, oh, this is pretty. Let's use this last bit. And then that way I'm kind of using all my leftovers. We'll just cover this line here. Although this kit, like if you look at this piece of washi, it actually looks a lot like this. So this kit was well designed to kind of coordinate. Okay, I have to flip this back on itself because I can't get my fingers in there. My stubby little fingers. Okay, I think maybe this is why people are leaning towards those Hobonichi books and sterling ink, just because not having to work around a coil sometimes is kind of nice. Okay, so there's that. And then, oh, I have this social media. Usually I put this over here. So I'll put this here. And then up here, I list out my monthlies. And then also my weeklies. This is really helpful for when I'm doing my flip throughs because I can just flip through this page and reference back to what kits I used. So, where'd my pen go? Let's see, do I have any little dots? So the dots I have are actually the same color as, like I said, this kit coordinates really well, but I do like that little dark outline around it. Just kind of gives it a little more pop. So I am going to cover, even though it's the same color, I do kind of like seeing that little extra boldness. So I'm going to put these down here. I think that's cute. The dashboard in the teacher planner is so different. Okay, so let's do my palm paper, my Happy Planner budget, and then I'll put social media, and then Clean Mama. And then here, again, we have 5 weeks. So I'm going to put week 1, week 2, 3, and so on. Okay, there we go. Alrighty, so that is essentially it. And then the rest of this will just be notes for my filming. So that's my setup. I have my monthly kits, my weekly kits. That helps me just kind of know right off at a glance what kits I used. And then here is just sort of my working grid to make sure I'm doing all of the steps for each video. And then here is just my plan for which videos are going to go up when. So I might end up even posting some bonus videos if I need to kind of get all of my setup done, because I'm basically going to set up my teacher planner that I mentioned is going to house Clean Mama, my everyday, work life schedule. And then I'm going to incorporate my social media into that. And so that'll all be in one. And then I'll have my budget planner. So that's going to be it. So I love the way this turned out. This is a super cute kit. I still have a couple pieces of washi. I've got some boxes here, a couple little blank squares there. And then I've got just these boxes here that I didn't need. So I think that's going to do it for this video. Looks like I'm set for my social media for December. All right, friends, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.